In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So launch your Instagram app, make sure you have already logged into your account, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Here you're going to find different section, navigate to the section Account Center. Now scroll down and click on the option Your Information and Permissions. Click on the option Export Your Information. Click on the option Create Export. Now go ahead and select your Instagram account. Now click on the option Export to Device. Now you'll need to customize these options. First click on the option Customize Information. Click on the option Clear All and select the option Messages as you want to recover deleted messages and click on Save. Then you can head back. Now click on the option Date Range and select the option of your choice, 3 months, 6 months, last year. Likewise, click on the option Format and you can select it as well. Likewise, click on the option Media Quality and select it and click on Save. Once you are done selecting these options, you can click on Start Export. With that, you have submitted your request. Once the file is ready, you will be notified to the email address that is linked with your Instagram account. You can keep on checking your mail. Once you receive the mail from Instagram support team, open it. That mail will include the file where you can find all the deleted messages as well. And that's it. This way you are able to recover deleted chats on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.